know many English words but still feel blank in real life?
Yes, you see the word, you know the word, but when you speak, the word runs away like a naughty cat.
Exactly.
So today, we will fix that.
In this episode, we will learn simple English words that people use every day in daily life.
And not just learn them.
Yes, we will use them in easy, real sentences.
So you can speak more naturally, more confidently, and maybe even sound a little smart.
Before we start, please subscribe to Smart English Official, like this video, and write a comment below.
Yes, and in your comment, tell us one English word you use every day.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's begin with morning words. These are words you can use from the moment you open your eyes.
The first word is wake up.
Very common, very useful.
Example, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Or, my mother wakes me up every day.
That is not waking up. That is a daily attack.
True.
Yes.
Next word, brush.
We say, I brush my teeth.
Not, I wash my teeth.
Yes, we wash our face, but we brush our teeth. Next word, shower.
I take a shower in the morning.
Some people say, I take a quick shower.
And some people stand in the shower like they are in a sad movie.
That is also true.
Next word, dress.
I get dressed at 7 o'clock.
Very easy, very natural.
Now, listen carefully. Many beginners know big words, but they forget small daily words, and small daily words make your English feel real.
Exactly. Now let's go to the kitchen.
Ah, yes, the most beautiful room in the house.
For you, every room with food is beautiful.
Correct.
The first kitchen word is breakfast.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Or, I make breakfast for my family.
Next word, cup.
This is my teacup.
And here is another useful word, plate.
The food is on the plate.
Next, spoon.
I need a spoon for my soup.
Next, fork.
I eat noodles with a fork.
Some people also say knife.
I cut the apple with a knife.
Please cut only the apple.
Yes, please. Only the apple.
Another very important word is glass.
I drink water in a glass.
Now here comes a useful action word, pour.
Please pour some water for me.
Or, I pour milk into my coffee.
Nice. Now let's add two more daily words. Open and close.
Open the fridge.
Close the door.
Very simple words, but people use them all the time.
Here is a quick question for everyone watching. Can you make a sentence with the word open?
Pause the video if you want, think for a second, then come back.
Good. Now let's move to home words.
These words are super useful because we talk about home every day.
First word, room.
My room is clean.
Really?
Today, yes. Please do not ask about tomorrow.
Next word, bed.
I want to sleep on my bed.
Next, chair.
Please sit on the chair.
And table.
My phone is on the table.
Now a very common action word, clean.
I clean my room every Sunday.
Be honest.
Fine, every second Sunday.
Next word, sweep.
We sweep the floor.
And wash.
I wash my clothes.
Or, I wash the dishes.
Now here is a word many learners forget, mess.
Yes, a mess means things are not neat.
My room is a mess.
That sentence came very quickly.
Because it came from the heart.
Now let's go outside the house.
Time for travel words.
First word, road.
The road is busy.
Next word, bus.
I take the bus to school.
And train.
I go to work by train.
Next word, ticket.
I bought a bus ticket.
And a very useful verb, wait.
I am waiting for the bus.
This word is very common in real life. You wait for the bus, wait for food, wait for your friend, and sometimes wait for your internet to work.
That last one is pain.
Yes, deep pain.
Next word, late.
I am late for class.
Please remember this sentence. You may need it often.
And if you are always late, please do not learn only English. Learn time management too.
Good advice.
Now, the next words are stop and start.
The bus stopped.
The movie starts at 7.
Very good. Now we will learn shopping words.
Everybody loves shopping.
Or at least loves looking at things they cannot buy.
True. First word, shop.
I am going to the shop.
Or, this shop is very big.
Next word, buy.
I want to buy a shirt.
And the opposite, sell.
They sell fruits and vegetables.
Next word, price.
What is the price of this bag?
Very useful. And one more word, cheap.
This pen is cheap.
And the opposite, expensive.
That phone is expensive.
I looked at one phone yesterday.
And?
I smiled at it, and then I walked away slowly.
A very emotional shopping story.
Thank you.
Now let's learn polite daily words. These words make your English sound kind and friendly.
First word, please.
Please help me.
Then thank you.
Thank you for your help.
And sorry.
I am sorry I am late.
Then we have excuse me.
This one is very useful. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Or excuse me, can I sit here?
Now here is something important. Polite words are small, but they make a big difference.
Yes, if your grammar is not perfect, but you are polite, people still enjoy talking to you.
Very true.
Now let's go to feelings. This part is important because daily life is not only about things. It's also about emotions.
First word, happy.
I feel happy today.
Next, sad.
She looks sad.
Then, tired.
I am tired after work.
A very common one. Very, very common.
Especially on Monday.
Yes, Monday has a special type of tired.
Next word, hungry.
I am hungry. Let's eat.
My favorite sentence in English.
I knew that.
Next word, thirsty.
I am thirsty. I need water.
And another useful word, busy.
I am busy right now.
Also, free.
I am free after 6 p.m.
These words are very useful for daily conversations.
Now, let's build short, real-life conversations.
Good idea.
Conversation 1.
Hi, are you busy?
No, I'm free now.
Great. Can you help me?
Of course.
Very simple, very natural.
Conversation 2.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Let's make noodles.
Again?
Yes, again.
Now let's do workplace and school words.
These words are useful for students and workers.
First word, study.
I study English every day.
Next word, learn.
I want to learn new words.
Now listen carefully, everyone. This is important. We study a subject and we learn something from it.
Very good.
Next word, write.
Please write your name.
And read.
I read a short story.
Next word, ask.
Can I ask a question?
And answer.
I know the answer.
Next word, meeting.
I have a meeting at 10.
And homework.
The homework is easy.
For you, maybe.
Okay. Sometimes easy. Sometimes scary.
Now let's talk about phone words. These are very modern daily words.
Yes, today people touch their phone before they touch their breakfast.
Sad, but true.
First word, call.
I will call you later.
Next word, message.
Send me a message.
Then, charge.
My phone needs charge.
Or, more naturally, my phone battery is low. I need to charge it.
Very good.
Next word, screen.
The screen is broken.
That sentence hurts.
Yes, very expensive pain.
Now let's give everyone a challenge.
Yes, here is your mini challenge.
Use these 5 words in your own sentences. Wake up, breakfast, busy, buy, and call.
Write your sentences in the comments.
And if your sentence is simple, that is okay.
Yes, simple English is powerful English.
Now let's share a secret.
A very important secret.
If you want to speak English well, do not start with difficult words.
Start with daily words.
Words you can use today.
Words for your home, your food, your feelings, your travel, your phone, your work, and your daily routine.
Because language grows with use.
Not with fear.
And not by memorizing 500 hard words that you never use.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's do one fast review.
Wake up.
Brush.
Shower.
Breakfast.
Cup.
Plate.
Open.
Close.
Room.
Clean.
Bus.
Ticket.
Wait.
Buy.
Price.
Please.
Sorry.
Happy.
Tired.
Hungry.
Study.
Write.
Read.
Call.
Message.
Great job.
If you stayed with us until now, you are serious about learning English.
And that makes us very happy.
Remember, you do not need perfect English today.
You only need better English than yesterday.
Practice a few words every day.
Use them in real life.
Speak slowly.
Make mistakes.
Laugh a little.
And keep going.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Smart English Official right now.
Like this video because it helps more learners find us.
And leave a comment with 5 daily words you already use in English.
Also tell us what topic you want next.
Do you want daily English sentences?
English for shopping?
English for travel?
Or funny English conversations?
We are ready.
And we are waiting.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling,
And keep speaking English every single day.
bye everyone!
Bye. And please do not forget to charge your phone after this video.
Yes, and do not forget to charge your English too.